Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. Today we are in the very pretty village of Neffies, which is one of the satellite villages around Pézenas. Neffies has 3 restaurants, very good restaurants. It's also quite close to the larger village of Rougon. So without further ado, I'm going to show you this rather handsome 3-bedroom house that we are here to see. So I've come through the front door and straight away we are in the kitchen. Very well appointed, nice bright kitchen, recently renovated, really pretty. The beauty of the downstairs of this house is that it's built on a bit of a circle, so it flows really well. So I'm going to take you through to the dining area, which is always very handy when it's this close to the kitchen. This is quite a striking dining area. Beautiful walls, been beautifully decorated as well. This is an intimate dining room, I would say. It has an air conditioning unit that is reversible on the wall. Very pretty. There is a window also just behind me, which gives quite a lot of light to the dining room. Now, as I was saying, it is based on a circle. So if I walk through the dining room, we come to the main reception area. So we've got a little seating area in front of us, but just to the right is the main lounge area, and there is a wood burner that you can see there as well on the left. Very handsome, very pretty, lovely terracotta tiles. That door just in front of you goes to the laundry room / WC. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pan around so that you can get the idea of the flow of the house. And here we are back at the kitchen area. So it's a perfect circle. That's really, really useful, I think. It's very handy. It's a great layout. So that's the downstairs of this house. The house is arranged over 3 floors. So this is the ground floor. I'll take you upstairs to the bedroom areas. There's that window I was mentioning before. I find the colours really, really attractive in this house. I think it's been done very, very nicely. So going up the stairs, as I said, there are 2 bedrooms. There is 1 bedroom with an ensuite and the main bathroom. So turning right, we're going into bedroom number 1. Again, very bright, airy, really, really nice house. There's another AC unit here on the wall, so that's the heating and the air conditioning taken care of. And then as we pan around to the left, there is a door here, which I'll quickly poke my head through. And this is the shower room, the ensuite shower room. So single vanity and walk-in shower and a loo in the corner there. Right, so I'm going to back out of the ensuite and I'm going to show you the second bedroom. It's a really quiet area of Neffies actually. It's a lovely village, really a destination village, I would say. So bedroom number 2. This also has an air conditioning unit there on the wall. Double aspect, that's always good. Again, the house is very bright, very light. And you have fitted cupboards on the left. So I'm just going to pan around, give you a good idea of the size of the bedroom. Okay. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video that it is a 3-bedroom house. It does in fact have a third room which can definitely be used as a bedroom, or indeed an office or a snug, and it's through here. So currently it is being used as a second lounge and a TV room. But if you were wanting a bedroom, you could rejig the walls a little bit. You could put a wall certainly above this banister up to the ceiling, and then put a main wall on this side as well. But for the purposes of the way the sellers have it, I think it's rather nice. So that's, for all intents and purposes, the 3rd bedroom. Right behind us is the main bathroom. And this is quite a large bathroom. It has a full bath at the end. On the right is a rather grand walk-in shower. Just shows you how big that is. And a WC in the corner there. It's very nice, double vanity, really well appointed. And as I back out, the last floor on this house has a bit of a surprise actually. So if we go back into this lounge area, you'll see the steps to my right. Beautiful walls, really gorgeous walls. This area on the 3rd floor is currently being used as a little kitchenette for the terrace, the roof terrace, but there is also a sofa bed here. So you could, in essence, make this a 4th bedroom or at least another guest room. So this house has definitely got options. Beautiful beams in this area. It's been very well done. It really has. Light is streaming in from these windows. Just gorgeous. I'm going to go out and show you the terrace because it really is so pretty. And I love what they've done. The fact that they've got a little kitchen area up here just means that you don't need to keep running up and down the stairs for drinks and food. It's literally right next door to the terrace. Gorgeous view. Just take you closer to that view and the hills. Lovely. The terrace is a bit of an L shape, I would say. So there is a shaded part during part of the day, but they also have an awning that can be pulled down, which will protect you from the heat in the summer. Very pretty little terrace. And there you have it. A 3-bedroom village house in the pretty village of Neffies with a gorgeous terrace. There is actually a carve as well for storage. So there is lots here to really benefit from. You've also got the summer kitchen and a potential 4th bedroom which could be used for a guest. If you are interested in seeing this lovely house, please do click on the link at the bottom left of the video and I'll be very happy to show you. Thank you so much.